Happy Mother's Day to me, Asanwa Igboanugo. Oh, somebody gave me a gift. Who is that? It's me. Oh, so funny. Oh, I gifted myself, okay? Hi guys. Yes, so I'm going to do unboxing video, unboxing haul for my Mother's Day gift. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy, guys. So let's unbox it together, okay? So can you guess what is inside it? Can you guess? No idea. I know you can guess. So let's unbox it together. So it came in a box like this. So and it's still here and there. So yeah. I can't wait. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh my god, the way they seal it so hard, I can't even open it. Oh my god, I can't even open it. Oh my gosh, guys, I need a pair of scissors because this is so hard to unbox. So yeah, I don't know. They seal it so hard. Even me with scissors, I don't even know how I'm gonna do it. You know what? I'm going to take off this seal first. Maybe it will help. Yeah. Take them both. So we're gonna see how we're gonna figure it out. Oh, we did it! I'm gonna do I need to do that? It's supposed to be open this way. The gum they use to seal this is so hard. So I'm going to oh my god, the gum they use is so hard. So this is hard work just to do unboxing. It's so hard. I just want it. You know, I have to use all my strength just to open this box. Just I'm trying to open it the right way. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is how they package it. So this is a card from the logo. You have know what it is, isn't it? So you're gonna see what is inside the card first. Yeah. I know I wrote a note for myself. So I wrote Happy Mother's Day to me, Asanwa Igboanugo. Oh, somebody gave me a gift. Who is that? It's me. Oh, so funny. Oh, I gifted myself, okay? Somebody gave me a gift. Who is that? It's me. I gifted myself, okay? So this is another card that it came with. So we're gonna say it. So this said, thank you for your purchase on Loewe.com. If there is anything else we can help you with, please get in touch. So their contact details, yeah. So yeah, one of the receipts. So this is for return and exchange in case if I don't like it. So I have to scan that code there. So this is my receipt. So they put everything inside this card. Oh, this is how their card is. Wow. Inside this card they put their logo all over it. And this is a security. So maybe it's for security check, isn't it? So this is our bad boy inside here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. So they put all these things. All these things. Just for this. Imagine. So wisely, guys. So this is how it looks like. I love the box. I love the packaging. So we're gonna unbox it now. So let's do the thingy. Ding ding ding. So guys, everything is so hard to open. I don't know why. So we did it. We did it. So this is this. So whatever it is. So this is how their box looks like. Yeah. So like this. So I don't know why they put this here. So we're gonna see it. Oh guys, can you see that? It's so small. I don't know if I should cry or if I should laugh because it's so small to compare how it looks on the picture and to compare how much they sell this small thing. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So guys, this is Loewe Brooch. It's a French designer's brand. Oh my gosh, is it not beautiful? It's beautiful, but yes, it's so small to what I was expecting it to be. I wasn't expecting it to be so small like this. Yeah, but then yes, guys. So so I don't know. So this is a yeah, it's in a gold metal. So the same design of this logo on the card is the same design on the brush. So this is the yeah, the serial number and everything. So yeah, so we're gonna accessorize it with everything we're gonna be wearing as from now on. So guys, so make sure you're following me so that you can see me accessorizing it in all my outfits. Okay guys, yeah. Like here, imagine, can you see that? Can you see it? Yeah, let's just try it. Yeah, let's just try it. I hope I don't poke myself. I didn't do it well. We did it now. So yeah, I don't know if I should keep it there. So, but at least you guys can see it now, right? How does that look? Does it look? Let me see. I put this label in here so you can. I don't want to remove the tag now, so I want to make sure if it's something I really love, because I was expecting it not too small but not too big, but at least a little bigger than this. So I just want to look at it very well and see if something I will consider keeping before I remove this tag. Okay, yeah, because I don't want to remove the tag, then I will change my mind. I don't want to keep it. It will become a story that touches the heart. You get me? So for that reason, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep the tag and sleep over it because yes. Yes. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait to style it. If I change my mind to keep it, I can't wait to style it. So yeah, but it still look good though. It still look good. It still look good. I'm going to put it on top of a black blazer so you guys can see the brush very well. So then you comment and tell me if it's beautiful, if something we're gonna keep or something we're gonna send back. Okay. So I will take it off now. Guys, look at how beautiful the brush is now. Very beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, and you can wear it in so many ways. That you wear it like this, or you turn it the other side and wear it. So I can't wait to style it. If something I'm gonna keep, okay, but I think I'm gonna keep it, to be honest. I think I'm gonna keep it. I love it. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And you see how it just like on the black coat, just, you can't go wrong with black. Black is like beautiful. Like anything you wear with black is gonna like, it's gonna look stunning. Trying to put this brush again. So guys, yeah, what do you guys think? Yeah, that's the only thing I got for myself for Mother's Day for now. I think so. But I got myself a flower, okay? Then some chocolates, and the children got me some chocolates as well. And they're my special gifts for myself that is going to enhance all outfits and elevate my style. Okay? Yes. So guys, if you love my Mother's Day gifts, don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe to my channel, and comment and tell me if something you love, and follow me on all social media, and check out my other videos because I have other interesting videos that you will love. So guys, I can't wait to start this brush. I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay. I can't wait. So see you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. Bye guys, love you.